How to add a drop shadow to text in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a text and a text plus to my timeline. Select regular text and open Inspector panel. Now under Drop Shadow section, increase offset X and decrease offset Y values. And change blur value, until you get your desired effect. Now let's undo the changes and consider another way to add drop shadow to text. Right-click on your text and convert it to a compound clip. Now go to Effects panel. Click on Open FX and search for Drop Shadow. Drag and drop the drop shadow effect into your compound clip. Then in the inspector, go to Effects tab and change Strength, Angle, Distance, and Blur until you get your desired effect. Now let's add a drop shadow to a text plus. Select the text plus, then in the inspector, go to Shading tab. Here, click on the 3 button which is for adding shadow. Then click on Enable button to enable the effect. Now you can change the values like softness and position of the shadow until you get your desired effect. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.